Hi, in this video, I'll go over some of the features in the Wave tool and what you will see in the report or the tool panels. And later on, we'll learn how to correct those accessibility errors that are found by the Wave tool. First of all, in your browser, please go to wave.webm.org, and then on this page, under the web page address, you can type in your school URL, whatever site that you're working on, to correct accessibility issues. And enter. Once this page loads, it could take a little bit to load up. It has a lot of information, and remember, it doesn't produce any PDF reports. So everything is what you see on the web, and it has a lot of indicators that shows you whether if it's error that you need to fix, or it might be a feature that we added to our template to the site. So you can, so here's basically your page live. And here is the tool panel or the reporting panel. And you don't have to type in a new URL each time. Once you're in this view, you can click on different pages within your site, and it will reload with whatever the things that it finds on that current page. So we'll go back to the home page, for example, and let it load. So under Style, this is the summary, the quick summary. So the tool has detected the following: 2 errors indicated in red, 24 alerts yellow, 14 features green, and structure element, HTML5, RAI, contrast errors. And not all of them you have to worry about. We want each school webmaster and content managers to focus on only the area that's in red. So on this page, it shows there's 2 errors. And then guess what? Each site, since we're building from the same Joomla template, we have similar features. So the first error that we'll present, we'll talk about in the following video. It's not really an error, it's a feature, and I'll go into detail later. But just so you know, it shouldn't be too overwhelming to focus on only the errors. In this case, there's only one that we need to work on. And in the following tab, this red flag, the details, it will show you the details of each thing that it points out. So one empty button, it will show you what that means when you click on the blue exclamation mark. And if you click on the icon, it will jump. See how it flash on your site? It will show you where the error is found. So like I said, this one's not really error. And the second one, we click on, and you can see how flash right here. And that's the empty link we'll need to correct. And alerts are just things that may or may not be an accessibility problem wanted to alert you about. And features are actually the good thing that you add in. Like we have alt text, skip link right here. It will skip to the first content area, the skip menu link, and we can talk about later. Structure elements. Now this blue button, it's a documentation, and it will show you all the icons and what all the icon means. You can mouse over each one and show you the alt text and what it means. And this is really helpful, and you can see there's only a number of errors that this tool will identify. Keep in mind that the true accessibility test that can only be conducted by human. So this tool will identify most of them, but not 100%. And alert feature and so forth. Oh, and here's the contrast error icons. And contrast error will show under this tab. We'll go over later. And no style, this is what your page looks like without any style or CSS applied to it. It's just links and images and text. And outline, finally, the last tab, it will show you outline of the heading tags or outline of the page. That's it. That's a quick overview of the Wave toolbar, the tool panels, the report summary, and what it means.